Hello, welcome to BoloForms. Today I will drive you towards a new feature that has been added by BoloForms where it allows user to add a bulk of contact using their Excel file, enhancing efficiency and convenience in managing contact information. For this, you need to do few steps. Firstly, I will navigate to contacts. Then there are two options available here: bulk upload and create contact. Firstly, we'll click on bulk upload. I will click on CSV. There are two steps available here. Firstly, we have to download the CSV template and fill in with all the required details, and then we have to upload that CSV file with all the information about the contact. So now I will click on download. My bulk and contacts CSV template has been downloaded in my system. I will click here. As you can see, my Excel file with all the required information of a contact has been appearing on my screen. You can fill all the detail about the contact like first name, last name, and all the information about the contact. So as a sample, I'm using a already made Excel sheet where I have filled the four contact information. In your situation also, you don't know about the full information about the contact. For example, if I am deleting this and I am deleting this, but still it will also upload this as a contact, but it would be well and good if you know all the information about the contact. Now I will save this. Now I will click on choose file. I will add that template with all the required information about the contact, and it has been uploaded, and it has been uploaded with all the required information. Now I have to click on upload, and yeah, all the contacts are added successfully in your system. You can use them as per your requirement of the document. Now, this feature streamlines the process of importing multiple contacts at once, saving time and reducing manual data entry errors. With the ability to upload contacts in bulk, you can easily populate the contact database, enabling seamless communication and interacting with clients, partners, and stakeholders. Thank you.